got time for this. Bang! And it breaks in half. And the first thing I do is I look at the clock. 6 minutes. So, okay, what would MacGyver do?
You have to take the towel out of the freezer, peel off the bottom, and then you have to unwrap it. This is like the Olympic of intense. If part of the cone falls off, there's absolutely nothing you can do. As I get to the top, I'm so proud that I've got it done.
And then there's the little one. I'm like, tap, 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 tap. Oh, I haven't got time for this. Bang! And it breaks in half. And the first thing I do is I look at the clock. 6 minutes. So, okay, what would MacGyver do?
I'm going to try and stick it together. It probably won't work, but it's worth a crack, right?
Kind of stick it together, and I'm like, blast chiller. I never used it, but it's my only hope.
1 minute, 60 seconds, everyone. We're down to the wire.
And I run back to the blast chiller, and I look at it, and it's set. And I'm thinking, am I going to be able to put the cupcakes on?
30 seconds to go.
I almost can't look. Please don't break, please don't break.
15 seconds.
No time to do nice, pretty, fancy icing. Just time to chuck them on.
10 seconds.
Up to the last second, I'm going to change this and change this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from your bench.
Wow, was that a challenge?
I don't want to look at it in case something happens.
Not good at all. Deserve to go home after that.
Do you know what? I'm just glad I got it finished.
Given the time frame and the pressure and everything, I'm really, really happy with myself.
I don't think it looks that great. But, I mean, the main thing is to have actually gotten it up, I'm happy with. It's the hardest challenge by far.
I'm just stoked. Yeah, I guess coming into this competition, I never thought I'd produce, you know, a tower of chocolate. And, you know, it's an awesome feeling.
That was undoubtedly the hardest challenge of the competition so far. Now, are you all comfortable with bringing your towers up to us?
No.
No.
Tell you what, guys, we're going to do you a favour this time. We'll come to you, starting with Jax.
There's nothing they can say to me today to make me feel any less worthy than I feel. I'm so proud of myself.
Looks amazing. Yeah, well done. What's the inspiration? You know, we talked about themes and that sort of thing.
I was born in London and I now live in New Zealand, and I wanted my tower to represent both those places, so it's the colours of both flags.
Good flavour. They'll be nicely baked. You've overfilled a couple. And, you know, I'll let the chocolate expert talk about the chocolate tower.
What can I say other than taste great?
Thank you, Simon.
You tempered your chocolate well. You've got a nice sheen to it. I can see that it's cracked through the top. We'll see if it'll hold, but I'm pretty sure that you're able to adjust it.
When Matthew says he's going to straighten it up, I just thought it was going to fall to pieces. Oh, thank you.
For me, with a cupcake, it's all in the peel. If the cupcake peels nicely off the side of the liner, then you know it's cooked. And that's exactly what yours are doing.
Thank you.
Well, I've eaten many cupcakes in my time, and it definitely isn't a bad one, so well done.
Thank you very much, Matthew. I really feel that I have achieved a huge step in my culinary life.
I was a bit disappointed on how it turned out, but at the end of the day, I gave it my best shot.
Cameron, this challenge is probably about as far out of your comfort zone as you could get.
Yep, it's pretty out there.
You struggled with actually doing a recipe.
They say real men don't use recipes.
The unfortunate thing is, in the industry, when you're cooking as a chef, you do have to be able to follow a recipe. What was your theme?
I was going with the All Blacks theme, but, you know, I mucked up my first batch, so I changed it to a All Hope or Rugby Club theme.
You might have only got a few up, but it tastes good. Do you think this is the last time we'll see Cameron on MasterChef?
quite possibly.
So let's have a taste. Peels really nicely. A little bit undercooked. A little bit pasty for me.
Structurally, not sure how sound it is if you had to run it down the length of a rugby field. Even though the execution of your cupcakes isn't 100%, out of everyone today, you have the best colour scheme. Chocolate, gold, brown, it all works. Slightly undercooked, but I'm still happy to eat it. Kia kaha, bro.
Sweet.
Well done.
I was feeling a bit down at that point, so it was choice hearing that from him.